All right, guys, so should you offer a money-back guarantee? Absolutely you should, just like you shouldn't shave your own eyebrows. So money-back guarantee, why should you do that? I think the biggest reason is that you're gonna make more sales. What I've learned in business, especially this year, is that people don't want any risk. To be successful, typically you have to be able to handle risk. The irony is that most people, when it comes to business, don't want risk. So even though that may be what successful entrepreneurs understand, the average client or person who's gonna work with you doesn't wanna deal with that. So if you can offer in a money-back guarantee or a conditional guarantee or something like that, you will have more people who sign up. So depending on if it's a done for you offer or it's a done with you offer, you can obviously change the guarantee to fit that mold. But ever since I started adding that in, not only do we get more sales, but it also makes it more predictable, and I guess people are happier because they understand that, like, hey, if you do these things, you can get it back. If you don't, you can't. And then in that way, it's made it so we get better clients and attract them. So all in all, it's gonna really help you make more sales. And I guess the other side benefit is it'll also help protect your reputation. When I started my business, I wouldn't say I didn't care about my reputation. And now it's kind of more of a priority for me because the way you do stuff, it adds up over time, right? People hear about you, they know about you, they'll talk to some of your clients. And you wanna make sure you have a good reputation that precedes you so that as you get older and you do more things, that sticks with you and people want to do business with you.